ko may next year mo. Hindi magsaba.
Again, to all clusters, one line lang po tayo. Again, one line lang po. Bawal.
Your high
Hi
school,
guys, start naman pa rin.
if we can facilitate and expedite.
More. Oh. Galina, nakatayo. Yung picture mo?
Minit kayo ito.
Tubig? Church na bye, ma. Bye, ma. Sige, balang ba? Hoy, ako dahil ko gibilin. Yan na. Closer. Yawa si Cindy na ito nga. Guys, nakudoan mo kayo. Sana nalinyo yung mga ingredients. Bawal na. Hey guys, ano yung naging fish mo? Manulog mo. Bathroom.
And also have the spoons to the participants.
Just wait for instruction.
Okay, everyone, your remaining time is 13 minutes. 13 minutes.
According to water, that will create now a flavor of bitterness, no? So because
Talaga si
ng
MD
bitterness
dere,
ito.
guys. Ha?
Pero
Si MD.
the fish is
Trisha, tanggalan ng karot. Tanggalan ng karot sa agtang ni Trisha. Ipalitin sa floor. Uy, Flor, pwede ba na magdala kag panihapon? Kalma lang ha. Tara man ganun ibigay na. Ginisa lang imo ha, wala isda sa gulo. Okay. May mga buyuwer.
and please,
So, good afternoon, sir. So, this is our dish. So, pag open mo sa box, there is this fish tilapia. So, what we did to this fish is that katong gigamit na mo itong gulay na ana dito sa mystery box, and we cook it like sa mga nakasanayan na ito nga murag ginisa nga gulay. So, that's what make our dish for today.
so you make a separate cooking technique. You separate the cooking of the vegetables, tama, and then you have your separate dish, cooking technique for the fish. Yes. So wala niyo siya giluto sa finality ang fish ng vegetables. So use lang siya sa final plating. comment ko first, no, is we have to assure that the color of the vegetable should still remain fresh, no? So that's one of the indicators na dapat masarap siya pag hindi nalusta yung gulay. But still, I would like to appreciate also the plating, no? Kaya nga lang, uneven man ang mga portions because of the given fish. So kami ang mag-adjust, wala yung problema doon. Ang umalang is how you create your final dish. Alright, so my comment is, my comments are directly. Okay, first is congratulations for providing us a dish that is tender and juicy, kumbaga, no? So, hindi siya lata, hindi po siya totally lata, like, balance na siya, like, yung flavor na soak jud siya, no? Na-soak ang meat, ang tilapia meat sa inyong cream ba to or sauce. Okay na siya. So, in terms of taste, okay, very good. Okay. However, maluwi mo gulay, basta ka lang kung wala ang gulay or kanang murag mawala yung color. So, sa gulay lang ko murag makuan. Kanang, wait lang ha, check na itong balik. Okay, sa patatas di ay, no? Ang color sa patatas ay nakadala di siya murag something like kanang murag nakagal siya, no? So kulang lang ani ang mga greens. Ang kulang lang sa greens. But in terms of taste and the plating, maayo siya, no? But just to share us, no, on our perspective sa culinary. Sa culinary thing, just to share, wala kami nag-restrict ha in terms of ano, we hope na kaning mga fish should be deboned. Kumbaga yung iserve na lang is kato na lang meat part. Kumbaga tanggalan siya. Kanya mo na lang to yung ikuan. Wala na ning mga bones. But dili ni highly technical in terms of inana. Ang amo lang isang presentation, ang overall, ang plating ug ang overall niya na impact, no? So given with the output that you have, I really recommend that you provide us with this very good na dish. Okay? So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
sila Flor?
68.3% other than from the senior high school program, ABM! Alright, congratulations guys. Please proceed here at the front and receive your token as well as your certificate.
Oh my God, Flor! Muship na po. Nasumo kayo. Diliman. Oh, di man maklaro. Oh my God, congratulations, Flor de Liz. Kailan ko mag-ship na jud mong dugong.
And now, our champion from the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy Programs.
Ayan, congratulations! Oh my God, nakikita ko talaga their tears of joy. Deserve.
Grabe ang support system nila, no?
And with that, congratulations once again to our winners. But let us also celebrate everyone who took part in this thrilling competition. Remember, in the in life. It's all about learning, growing,
Wow,
and
congratulations,
growing.
Lord.
But before we end our
Daw,
program,
sige daw, may picture
our
daw
judges
kami.
will be also
And with that, until next time, stay inspired.
Ano mga pagkaunan dari guys?
Hi guys. Kilala ka ba?
Pagdula ni guys. Hi guys, 10 to 15.
Kilala ka ba?
Manamig dula guys. Natatay sa McDo. Gay mo personal lang survey.
Five,
Manay lang survey.
4, 3,
Sabi na mo mga 500 ni guys.
1.
Mag-cellphone.
Magbig, estudyante mo.
Goni, McDo na talang to.
Tagal.
for religious studies. However, the three participants are allowed to help each other in answering questions regarding 3, 2, 1. And we
Ano yan yung plaan ng kutsara?